Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Win right now, okay? Once again, thank you for your continued support and thank you for everything you do to contribute towards the growth of this channel, okay? Really do appreciate it. I hope you had a really good day yesterday and I hope you have a really good day today. Stay strong, stay safe and most importantly, stay tuned. Right, going to dive into Win right now. Get a lot of questions about Win and obviously I want to keep you updated every day about Win. Personal outlook is don't worry, okay? These corrections are normal. They're perfectly normal, okay? It's not financial advice, but I want to reassure you that these corrections are perfectly normal. And as long as you're holding key levels of support, then it's perfectly fine. So what we're going to do is bring up the Fibonacci retracement tool right now on Win, because you can see it's basically lost this previous low, okay? It's lost this previous low, it's come down and it's found base on something, okay, which is a previous swing high. Do you see that? Well, it's lost the previous swing high and what it's done, it's fell down, it's now landed on the previous swing low. Do you see that? But right now, if it was to lose this particular level, then there is a bit of a larger correction in ensue here. I just want to bring you aware of that, and that would bring you down to that sort of level there, that previous swing high, okay? So what we're going to do is bring out the fib right now and just show you where I think it's actually landed on, okay? So what you do, you bring out the Fibonacci. It's the third tool down, okay? Go click that little right arrow down there, click the fib retracement, and what you do, you're retracing. So what you do, you're going to go on the top, okay, and you're going to go down to the previous swing low, which is just there. Do you see that? Because you can swing low, swing high, swing low, you form the base, and what you've done, you've pushed up now and made that high, and what you're doing, you're retracing, okay? And just like I've said in so many other videos, okay, when you're retracing, you retrace to key levels of support. If you lose those key levels of support, you're looking at a more of a reversal wave than a corrective wave. So I just want to reassure you right now that Win is relatively healthy, okay, because it's actually bounced off the golden ratio. Look at that, okay, look at that. It's bounced off this particular level here, the 0.618. You can see wick down, found support, and now it's pumping up. So that's good. It's called the golden ratio for a reason, and the reason is because if you do lose that on a retracement, you're not just looking at a corrective wave where you bounce and go up, you're looking at a reversal wave where you come back down to the previous swing low. Do you see that? Or the previous swing high. So you're losing level of support and you're coming back down to a key level of support to retest. Not necessarily means the end of the market for it, but it's just a reversal wave instead of a corrective wave or a retracement wave where you do find a key level of support before marching on. So that's basically Win. You've bounced off this 0.618 beautifully. Do you see this? Bounced off it beautifully. What I'm going to do is zoom in right now so you can see where it's bounced. Came back down, bounced off it beautifully. A little bit shy because that's where you'll see the bids get put in, just shy of it, and that's what the traders do. But right now you can see when it's come up, it's hit its head on a 0.50, okay, and you can see it's acting as a key level of resistance. So right now it's caught between the golden ratio and the 0.50. So you could see if it fails to get above this, you could see it come back down, a couple of retests like that before actually getting through. But what I want to make you aware of is if it does lose this particular level right now, the 0.618 golden ratio, and that price target is 0.0110496. If it was to lose that, then I would anticipate that it would come down to this previous swing high at least, okay, at least. And you may see it sort of come down there and consolidate for a bit before reaccumulating and taking the next leg up. But so far I want to reassure you that it's holding support, so that's actually good. It's a good thing that it's holding this retracement right now, okay, this 0.618, because from the top, okay, and this is what you do, you look at from the top down to there, that's a whopping 64% correction that Win's gone through. You know, that's massive. That's a huge corrective wave right there for any project. But it's holding it, okay, because if it does lose that, that's a whopping correction right there, and I've never seen that in a bull market. That's a 77% correction right there for Win, if it even comes down to that previous swing high there. So hopefully it's bottomed out here. We thought it had bottomed out here, started to go up, obviously a level of resistance, starts to fall back down, it loses itself, and obviously with a correction over the past few days it's just cascaded and it's been picked on, and people are starting to sell it because they're panic selling, and that's basically it. It creates a cascade of selling. This is what I said to you about when things go up and they start to lose support, it creates that cascade of selling, people exiting because it's not holding support basically, and then everyone's jumping ship, which contributes to the selling pressure, which contributes to just just coming down and cascading. That's why you never get involved in these overextended tops. Okay, look how overextended it was. I remember when I first made the video, people was telling me, and I'm an idiot, I don't know what I'm talking about, this is going to the moon, it's going to Mars. Yeah, okay, it potentially is, but you always want to see it fall back and test and hold support and make that next impulsive wave before sort of getting involved. Okay, and that's what I do in this channel. I bring you a level of reassurance and just a level of common sense. So basically right now WIN is holding support, it's bounced off the golden ratio, it's starting to move up and potentially forming the next impulsive wave. Do you see this? But you do need to see yourself get back above this 050. You can see it's having a go at it. Okay, if you do start to see it get back above, then that's really good, because it means it'll start get back in above and it'll start to march on, get back above them EMAs, tackle this 0382, start to get back above that and back to support before marching on and getting back above this 0236 before marching on to test that all-time high there for WIN. So this is the last leg, basically, last leg of support. Loses that, you're looking at that full reversal wave down to that sort of level there, and that's a massive correction for WIN. So that's just a level of honesty to you, okay, for WIN, showing you how it is. Hopefully you found that as a level of reassurance, but so far we're looking okay. We bounced off the golden ratio on that retracement there, and we're looking to hopefully march on, get above. You need to see it start closing above that level there, which is 00128.242. okay, close above that and close above that resistance level of a 050 retracement there, and you're looking good. And what fantastic entries, you know, for people that are not involved to get involved in WIN, because this could potentially march on, but this could actually march on and do really well after this level of consolidation and retesting of support. So there are your levels. I wish everyone would look okay. Do take care. Bye bye.